Here's my new Dji Fpv, and as you can tell, I put guards on them. Although I don't intend on using the guards all the time, I found a very practical use for them because in the winter time or when I'm at home, don't want to go outside, I like flying this inside. So I got these guards. Not only does it protect the propellers, but it protects the wall. If I bounce into the wall going down the hallway or through a doorway, it just bounces off. It's pretty simple. It comes in 4 little parts. It's a DJI product. I don't remember how much I paid for these, but it was cheap. 20 bucks, 25 bucks, I don't know. They come in 4 parts and they're labeled on a certain area. Inside the clamps it says left front, left rear, right front, right rear, and you just slip these together, these 2 parts, they snap together, and then this little bracket just folds over the arms and clips on. So they're pretty easy to put on. I haven't taken them off, but as you can see, they do grip it good. Just flip them over like that. Oh, there it goes. Taking the other one off. Pop that one up. Pop that one up. And then push down. Seems to be the easiest way. Just push them down. And there they are. As you can see, that little clamp just hangs on to them, and the legs go through here, and the short back leg just fits in there. These things are awesome. So I'll put these back on and give you a tour of my house. These things are great, especially for indoor flying. DJI, thank you. My wife thanks you. And the walls are safe.